Building production-ready apps without writing a single line of code is hard. That's why we created Leo. I'll ask Leo to create a customer feedback portal and connect it to a backend tool later. Leo will create the necessary files and deploy the project directly. Nice output. Now I can ask Leo to connect to many tools. I will use Xano. Xano is a powerful no-code backend platform. You can use it to create scalable backends and databases and connect it with Leo. Now that Xano is set up, Leo will check its content and provide me with the commands to create the necessary elements in my backend. Database tables, API endpoints, custom logic rules. Leo can now read and write in full stack mode. Finally, I can now ask Leo to connect my frontend to my backend to display real data. Here's my backend data. And here it is in my frontend. I can now connect Notion and update my user documentation directly from Leo. Or connect to my Airtable, my Supabase. Building projects quickly is cool, but building production-ready projects is useful. You can do it with Leo.